Hello everyone, this is Neha Tulsyan from Crescent Creation. Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel, and I'm very excited to share my current haul from Lawn Fawn new release. It's the fall and winter release from Lawn Fawn, and I am super excited about these products. I'm starting with the stamp sets first, and here is the first stamp set called the Scripty Autumn Sentiments. I just love these Scripty sentiments from Lawn Fawn, and you can pair these Scripty sentiments with the smaller ones. For example, I'm so very grateful, thanks for being you. And you do get a coordinating die set that cuts out these scripty sentiments for you along with the leaves. But I usually use my scan and cut for these kind of things, so I did not get the coordinating die set. Next one here is the You Autumn No stamp set. And I am so happy to see so many more mice in this set. I just cannot have enough of these mice. They are so stinking cute. Love all the large leaves included in the set. They could create a very beautiful background. And the sentiments are nice too. Have a happy day. I believe in you. You really ought to know how much I love you. The next here we have on the left is the Purrfectly Wicked, and on the right is the Purrfectly Wicked add-on stamp set. And I am in just love with these two sets. These are one of my favorites from this release. Or should I say two? These cats are so adorable, and I love all the accessories that you get in these sets, especially the extra worms and candies that you can put in your cauldron from the add-on set. Next, I also got the How You Been Mint add-on set. It's just a perfect set to create a jar full of mints. And I really like the sentiments here. We were meant to be together, sending encouragements. Next set is not a new set. It's been released before by Lawn Fawn, but only for a limited time. It's called the Merry Mice stamp set, and everyone loved it so much that Lawn Fawn brought it back again. It is a cute set with the tree and the mice and the stool, presents, and the sentiment reads, hope your holidays are merry and bright. Have a nice Christmas. You can create some really cute light up cards using this set. The next stamp set I got is the Tiny Winter Friends stamp set. How could not I get these cute tiny people? They are so adorable in their winter dresses. And I really like that Lawn Fawn added the mirror image of the deer and the sleigh from Over the Mountain stamp set. It just opens up a lot more options to create your scenes. Next one here is the Giant Holiday Messages stamp set, which has these big messages that can cover your card front very nicely. You can create any kind of background and just add these sentiments and your card will be ready. I just love the look of the bold sentiments in this set. Next one here I got is the Magic Holiday Messages stamp set. So these sentiments go inside your magic iris circle, or you can just use them separately on a card on a circular die cut, or you can even add them to your ornaments that you will create this year. Next stamp set is the Window Scene Winter stamp set. It comes with this beautiful couch, which I think we all have been waiting for from Lawn Fawn. And it also has this nice winter scene in the rectangle, which can be used just as is, or also a scene which you are seeing from the window. I like that they have also added the option of snow in this stamp set, so you can add that to your scene. The next two stamp sets, on the left is Joy to All, and on the right is the Furry and Bright stamp set. These two are really adorable sets. I just love the images in these two sets. The boy and the girl, they're so cute in their pajamas, and the dogs are just so adorable. And those two ponytails on that girl, it's just so stinking cute. Love the accessories that they have added that you can add to your tree or just decorate the whole scene. If you're thinking of creating some really cute Christmas cards this year, these two sets are a must-have. Next up is the Penguin Party stamp set. It's a cute stamp set to have if you like penguins. I adore penguins, so I just had to have it. And I like that they have added those really tiny sentiments that can go on those signboards. And here I'm just showing you the two previous penguin sets from Lawn Fawn and comparing all the penguins together. With these penguins, we can have some really nice scenes where they are either celebrating their Christmas together or just enjoying the winter weather. So these were all my stamps, and now let's move on to the dies. Here are all the sentiment dies from this release. I just love these sentiment dies from Lawn Fawn. There are 5 of these in this release, Happy Halloween, Let It Snow, Merry Christmas, Thank you so much. And all of this will fit an A2 size card or a slimline card one way or the other. For example, this Happy Halloween is 4.5 inches wide and almost 2.25 inches tall. These can create some really quick cards. If you are just looking for some simple cards, you can just throw in some kind of background and add these sentiments to your card and your cards will be ready. Here the Merry Christmas is also the same size as Happy Halloween. I just love these dies. These are very versatile. You can use them in so many different ways. I have created a spinner card using one of the similar sentiment die from Lawn Fawn. It's the Sending Big Hugs die. And if you're interested in watching the video, you can click on top right of your screen now. Next we have is the Pumpkin House die set. Previously, Lawn Fawn had an acorn house and a mushroom house, and this pumpkin house is just as cute. Next up is the Fall Leaf Backdrop die on the left and the Magic Iris Fall Leaf add-on die set on the right. In the summer release, Lawn Fawn bought similar sets with tropical leaves, which really got popular, and now they have these fall leaves, and they also have a stencil set with this, and I just love the combo of these three products together. Or you can totally use them separately. You get 2 pieces of stencil in a pack, so you can create a layered look and have an amazing fall leaf background. And you can create some really fun cards using this Magic Iris add-on fall leaves die set. Add it to your interactive card or use it separately. And the backdrop, it's just wow. I love all the backdrop dies from Lawn Fawn. They just dress up your cards so beautifully. You don't really need anything after that. Next is this Christmas garland die set that you can use to create some beautiful wreath for your cards. Lawn Fawn also has a mini wreath and a large wreath die set from their previous releases. So you can use them all together or you can use these separately to create some really cute garlands or wreath. Next is this very beautiful Magic Iris Snowflake add-on die. Again, you can use this die as an add-on to your Magic Iris cards or you can use this separately. Jennifer McCreary recently did a video showing you how you can use these dies to create some amazing spinner cards. If you haven't watched it yet, I will link it in the description box below. Next, I have the pair of stitched snowflake frame and outside-in stitched snowflake die. Lawn Fawn has been coming out with this design for quite long. They always pick up a design and then they create the die for it and then a frame die for it. With these pair of dies, you can create some really nice shaker cards very easily and quickly. And especially with this snowflake die, I know I'm gonna create some really cute ornaments this year. And I also got this Jolly Christmas Tree die set. I thought it would be really nice to cut this using some colorful felts and create some ornaments. Next, I got the window frame die. I really like this die and I have an idea of creating an interactive scene using this die. So stay tuned for that. And of course, I got the Flippy Flappy interactive die. This is gonna create some really cool interactive cards for you and I'm looking forward to use this die as soon as possible. I also got the snowflake background stencil. I like that they come 2 in a pack so you can create layered looks for your background and have some really cool looking snowflake backgrounds. And lastly, I got 4 of the stencil pastes from Lawn Fawn. I got the gold, silver, fairy dust and glow in dark stencil pastes. And I'm going to show you how these pastes look on a black cardstock. Lawn Fawn has got them for the first time and I'm really loving the look of these pastes. I did not have a gold or a silver paste in my stash. I was supposed to get them, so when Lawn Fawn got them, I just thought, wow, why shouldn't I get these pastes? They're really smooth and shimmery. I just love the look of gold on black cardstock. And this fairy dust here looks so shiny and iridescent. Wow, so yummy. And the glow in dark, it's not shining because I'm supposed to charge it with some light. It goes on clear on your cardstock and I'm gonna share more about it in a video soon. And that's it. This was my Lawn Fawn fall and winter haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you were able to see the products a little more closely and now you might be able to decide which products you want for yourself. Until next time, happy crafting!